Hello, I am Hafsa and this is our YouTube channel Noman Chata Solicitors. I am just making this video just to give an overview about US student visa types, the major document in the whole process, that is I-20, how it is created, and what are the institutions those can generate I-20 in order to file up your visa at embassy. If we talk about the type of US student visa, then majorly it is two type of student visa for US. It is F1 and M1. F1 student visa is for the foreign students who are going to pursue their full-time course of study for an academic program. And M1 student visa is basically for those students who are going to pursue their full-time course of study, that is vocational and non-academic program. For both of the type of visas, you must have I-20 with you in order to file up your visa at embassy or consulate board. What is I-20? If we define I-20, then it is the major and most important document in all of the process, certifying that you have been admitted to an institution of US and demonstrated enough funds in order to stay in US. So I-20 is actually a certificate of eligibility that make you eligible to file up your visa at embassy or consulate board to pursue your studies. Not every institution of US can create I-20 because in order to create I-20, your institution must be certified and authorized by DHS, Department of Homeland Security. If your institution is certified and authorized by DHS, then it will be called as SEVP approved institution. SEVP stands for Student Exchange Visitor Program, and those institutions which fall under this category are actually defined as this college, university or institute that are certified and authorized and have access to SEVIS. SEVIS, what is SEVIS? SEVIS is a student exchange and visitor program. It is a government database that maintain and record all of the students enrolling at an SEVP approved institution. SEVIS is actually a database that maintain the overall data of every student who are going to enroll or who are going to file their visas for an SEVP approved institution. Once an institution is approved by SEVP or DHS, then it must have access to the SEVIS record, and it will be then eligible to generate I-20 to the student, right? So for getting an I-20, your institution must be under SEVP approved institution list. How I-20 is created, then let me tell you that once you will be done by your admission process from your institution, your all the data will be entered into the SEVIS database. SEVIS will assess the information and it will generate a PDF form of I-20 that will send back to your institution and via internet, and it will be then signed by DSO, designated school official, and then it will be dispatched towards your mailing address. So this is actually the whole process how I-20 is created and the importance of I-20. Without I-20, you will be unable to file up your visa, and without your visa you will not be able to study on campus. Yes, you all know. I guess this is the importance of I-20. I have told you about how I-20 is generated and what are actually the institutions, those who are responsible for generating I-20. So if you are planning to apply for US, then take care that your institution must be SEVP approved. Thanks for watching me at my official channel Noman Chata Solicitors. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.